Here's how to check if an iPhone is iCloud bypassed. First, head into the Settings app on your phone. At the very top, tap on the name linked to the Apple account. You should see your Apple account details. If you scroll to the bottom, there's a Sign Out button. Now, here's the important part. If the iCloud account shown is not yours and it's someone else's Apple ID, the device is likely iCloud-locked or activation-locked. To confirm, let's check Apple's official support page. If an iCloud or activation lock is still active, it means the previous owner hasn't removed the device from their Apple account. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized users from accessing the phone in case it's lost or stolen. If you're unsure, you can verify this by going back to Settings, tap on General, then About. Here, you'll find the phone's serial number. Tap and hold the serial number, then copy it. Now open a web browser and search for free iCloud check. Click the first result and enter the serial number or IME, I of the device. After entering the details, the website will check for any iCloud activation lock or bypass status. If you see a message saying "Find my iPhone is still on," it means the device is locked and cannot be used unless the original owner removes it from their Apple account. In case you're buying a used phone, always make sure to check for an activation lock beforehand. If the lock is still active, don't proceed with the purchase. Ask the seller to fully erase the device and log out of their Apple account before you take ownership. I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching.